Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. Right now I'm at Autlog, in fact at Dirtlog, and I came here to check the installation of this Adventure X kit that is available for the KTM ADV 390. And in a while I'll also show you, how the kit is installed. I've already taken some clips. It's going to be a very brief overview installation. Of course, when you buy the kit, Autlog will send you professional installation video. You can follow that, but this is going to give you an overview, like how difficult or easy it is to install the kit. And I will also take a small ride of the bike and off-roads to check if the panels vibrate or not. We got good off-roads over here. I mean, not off-roads but soft roads where tar is all is broken, and also I'll ride the bike on those roads and check if the panels vibrate or something or not. By the way, I'll be riding the 390 for the first time. This is the first time that I'm riding the 390 after its launch. I've not ridden 390 ADV anytime before. It was the 250 ADV that I've ridden at Sai Service Vakadewadi. So anyways, let's jump into the video. First I'll show you a quick walk around of the bike, how it looks from different angles, and then a brief overview, and then a small ride review. So it kind of gives the bike a bit of macho looks or muscular looks, if I would say in that manner. The bike looks really bulky with this installation. Of course, it doesn't affect any handling, or it hardly weighs anything. I've already ridden the bike and I didn't feel any weight on the bike while maneuvering it or anything, because no aesthetic modification, no modification has done to any ergonomics. It's just an add-on panel on the existing bike. So this is how the bike looks from all sides. Okay. Of course, you can get it in different colors also, this panel. If you want it in orange or some other color, if you prefer that, you can get it in that also. So you get two panels which fit on the left and right. You get inner covers over here which fit on left and right, and some bolts and clips which will help you install the ADV kit. Now we'll jump into brief installation, and then I'll take the bike out for a small ride. So this is somewhat you get the panel as now this is matte black, designed according to the color based on this bike. But you can get it in whatever color you want. You can tell Autlog to give a specific color that you want. If you want to match it with your orange color, they can match it for your orange color, and so on. So this is matte black, and you get this one. This is right side panel right now. Left side has already been installed, and you also get a cover panel which looks something like that, and you get some nut bolts which will be like this. So which bolt goes where, I'll show you in the video very briefly in some time. So you have to get your bike in this condition. Okay, remove one of the bolts here and remove anything else that is coming in between here to install the body kit, the shroud. Then you have to remove this bolt, and you have to remove two bolts which are inside over here. Let me show you that too. To remove this bolt as well as this bolt, and Autlog will give you a complete set of bolts, revised bolts, that you have to install the body kit along with that. So the installation is quite easy. You just have to slide your panel inside here. Okay, you have to make sure that the mounting points come close. This one also, take it from above and match this one also. Now once I've bolted these, I'll show you the kit again. Once these three bolts are in place, ek upar ka do and this third one, then you take this plate. Okay, this has got two notches or two slots, whatever you want to call it. You slide the plate inside over here like this and tighten the bolts, like the same way in which the opposite side is being done. Irfan Bhai from Autlog is doing the installation, and you put in the four bolts. So two bolts are big ones like this, and two bolts are small. So this two bolts will go on the back side, bigger ones, and this small ones will go on the front side. They'll fit in this bolt that you can see inside, the golden color. This small one will fit inside that. So the kit has been installed. I mean the body kit install करके हो गया. I came out to check any vibrations are there on the bike or not, and I didn't find any. I took it on bad roads also. We'll again go inside from bad roads. यहाँ पे भी फिर से पता चल जाएगा. I mean if I can feel any bad vibes or something. Nothing so far. That's really nice. But the bike is a bit stiff compared to my TRK on this road. I have never ridden a 390 before ADV. आज first time चलाई है and इसके कुछ 18,000 हो गए already. That was a quick ride, in the off-road section or a bad road section, and I didn't feel any vibes on the panel or anywhere in the tank or anywhere because of this kit. And this is how the rider view is, just in case my GoPro is not captured. I won't come to know unless I export the video. So this is how the bike looks now after the graphics. If you look earlier, there were no graphics. We just installed the graphics. So this is what you get, graphics on both the sides. And because of this graphic kit right now and the body kit, the bike looks really macho. It looks, it now receives some additional character. So do let me know in the comments, how do you like the kit, how do you like the looks of the bike after this body kit. And if someone is already using this kit, this Adventure X kit from Outlook Design, please comment in the video, share your feedback, so that anyone else coming on my channel, unko bhi feedback mil jayega. They'll also get the feedback, first hand feedback. And what else? So I'll end the vlog here. So if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video in your KTM groups, with your ADV groups. So someone else who owns a stock KTM and wants to modify it to some extent like this, they can also go in for the Outlook kit. So thanks for watching, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe. See you in a new video very soon.